Hello, and welcome to Hostnali Tutorials. Today we're setting up a complete e-learning platform using Rocket LMS, a powerful and feature-rich learning management system. You can download Rocket LMS from the link in the description below. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional online learning website, complete with course management, user enrollment, content monetization, and a powerful admin dashboard. Let's jump right in. First, download the Rocket LMS script. I've already done this and saved it on my computer. Next, log into your cPanel, open File Manager, and upload the script to the public_HTML folder. While the upload completes, let's create the database. For this setup, create a new MySQL database and user, then save the database name, username, and password. You'll need them shortly. Once the upload is complete, extract the files into the public_HTML folder. Open the extracted folder. There is a folder called Databases. Open it and download the SQL files to your computer. Then extract and move all the Rocket LMS files in the source folder into public_HTML. Now, if we visit the URL, you will see there is an error, and this is because we have not configured the database. Edit the .env file and enter the database credentials. That is, the database name, username, and password you created earlier. Also, remember to update the app URL and save. The next step is to import the database we downloaded earlier. For our case, we will import the demo database. You can opt to import the empty one that do not come with demo data. We will import the database using phpMyAdmin. In cPanel, click on phpMyAdmin, click on the database name, import, choose the SQL file, and import. That's it. You can now see the site works fine. You will get the demo logins from the product page for the admin and all other users. You can change these logins after first login. You have access to the backend where you can create courses, manage instructors and students, configure payments, and customize your learning platform exactly the way you want. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus. You can get Rocket LMS for free when you purchase any of our Hostnali hosting packages. Just open a support ticket after completing your order, and we'll provide the script. Thanks for watching Hostnali Tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.